Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on sharing your Apple Notes with other people. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Notes app and open the note that you would like to share. Now tap the Share icon in the top right corner of the note. Tap Collaborate and you can choose whether you would like people to be able to collaborate with the note or to just view the note. Select Collaborate if you would like people to be able to edit the note, and select Send a Copy if you would just like to send a copy of the note. Tap Only Invited People Can Edit, and you can choose who can access the note, only invited people or anyone with the link. Under Permissions, you can choose whether people can make changes or only view the note. The toggle to the right of Allow Others to Invite can be switched on or off. When the toggle is green, other people can invite people to view your note, and when it is grey, they cannot. There are many different ways you can share your notes. You can use AirDrop if you are sharing with someone nearby. You can send it in a message, invite people with a link, or send it over various social media platforms. You can copy the note and print the note. You have many options. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.